Hello everyone and welcome back. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to invite friends to play Schedule 1 with you. I'm going to show you two methods. The first one is from the main menu. Launch Schedule 1 from your Steam library. At the top right of the main menu, look for the Lobby section. Click the plus button next to the lobby. A pop-up box will appear saying Choose Friend to Invite. Search for your friend's Steam ID and add them to the lobby. And the second method is during gameplay. Pause the game while you're already playing and you'll see the lobby boxes at the top right of the paused screen. Just follow the same steps as above to invite your friends. This way you can team up or dominate in Schedule 1, whether from the main menu or mid-game. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.